Hello folks, Sam Owens here, and we have the ACEBOTT smart car right here, and this is one half of the product that we ordered, which is the smart robot arm car kit, four-wheel drive, with the car, the smart car. So we've already completed the assembly and programming of the smart car, which is this box right here, and it's product number QD001, and all of the tutorials and assembly instructions and programs instructions are in documents with this listing. Now also, when you order this product, you're going to get this in the package also. This is the robot arm right here, and it is QD007. The instructions for assembling the robot arm and programming and tutorial will all be in these documents, and you're going to have a list of products that you can select from. You'll need to build the car before you go to this point, because what we're going to do is the assembly instructions are going to tell you to disassemble some of the car in order to attach the robot arm. It's going to attach right in this location, so all of this has to be removed. The instructions are there to guide you as to what to take loose. You have to take this top portion off first, and then you'll be able to get to the screws and everything to take these components off to give room for the mounting of the arm. First thing you should do is assemble the car and get the car working and have a little fun with the car. Then you start building this. Okay, let's begin by looking at this box. All of the components you need are in here. There's servos. You get 5 of these servos to control all of the joints. It's going to be a wrist, an elbow, a shoulder, okay? And you get a couple of little blocks here, which are going to be something to pick up with the robot arm. And I'm just going to take it all out of the box, and when we actually go to the assembly, I'll be laying these out in some form of organization that I can find the thing. You got hardware, lots of screws. This is a hardware package. They're all labeled, easy to find. And then you have the arm construction itself. This is all of the components of the arm. See how to begin with that. Okay, the first thing you'll want to do is take the parts out of the box there and organize them in like type areas, like the servos are here, 5 of them, and also your screws and nuts, and also any other little parts that go on there. And then the arm pieces themselves will go right here. All these light colored pieces, there's protective covering on it that's adhesive, that each of those will be need to peel those off. So you could start and peel all of that off ahead of time so that that's out of the way. And it's just a matter of grabbing this with your fingernail or some sort of a little tool that you can grab an edge there, just like that. And then once you get the edge, you can peel, and they'll come loose, and you just work it loose so it doesn't tear. You can kind of be careful with it and pull it off like that. And there's a little piece that tore off, so you can just kind of scrape it off there. All right, do that with the rest of those on both sides, and you'll be ready. Also, you'll need the car, and take the batteries out of it so you don't have any issues with power on the car. And we're gonna get the information we need, and I'll be showing you that. And first thing you'll want to do is, just like you did with your smart car, building it, you come to ACEBOTT.com and go to tutorial, download tutorials, click on that, then select your product, which is, in our case, is going to be the robot arm, which is QD007, as I stated in the beginning of this video. Now, this is where we will download all of those between 001 and 008, and our 007 is going to be in there. Okay, and then you will proceed to save this. It'll go into the downloads, and you should already have these files available from the car installation. So we're just going to go ahead and go to those. Okay, what I do is I go down here to this, whoop, there, and then we open this, and then we open this, which is the QD007. You should have these on your computer unzipped, and that's what these are. So for the robot arm, we want English in our case, so I'm going to double click on that, and we want ACE code beginner right here. And here is the tutorial for the smart car, the robot arm, the assembly of the robot arm, programs, and must read. They're talking, let's see what that is. It's talking about the need for certain types of information. Right here is going to talk about this, so you need to read this. I'm alerting you that there's must read information before you begin, so we'll do that. To our area, the tutorial is the first thing we'll want to look through and get familiar with, because it's going to outline how we go about hooking the robot arm up to the car, or some beginning robot arm car tutorial. So it would be good to read through this and get familiar with it a little bit. They even have some videos that you can watch, an index, and right on down, this is what the car is going to look like when it's finished. And here is the assembly. This will be the first place that we actually go to find out how to set up the arm for installation. All right, this is step number 1, and this is how it's laid out. Just like in the car, they had steps, they had a parts list. You need the complete car, and then they're showing you're removing some screws to remove the top assembly from the bottom assembly, and they have notes in there which direct you with some special installation instructions. So you want to read all of this and follow it to the letter, and don't try to take any shortcuts. We will start at step number 1. Okay, you should first go to the must read first and perform the servo initialization as shown here. The read first instructions will describe exactly what you need to do to accomplish this. Now we're going to take a look at the assembly steps. There's 30 of them, and you could just follow through and just get an idea of what is going to be shown and how to put the robot arm together and install it onto the car platform. It will be very important to hook up the wires according to the pin designations and colors. So watch that very carefully. Okay, you should follow the tutorial very closely for the progress of steps that you need to take to assemble the robotic arm.